Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I'm Komal Kanwal Shekhawat and in this video I will be discussing how we can import a file in Stata. Moreover, I will be discussing how we can convert a variable into a log variable. So let's start with it. So first of all, for importing a file in Stata, you need to go to File, then Import Excel spreadsheet. Now browse your file. So suppose I want to import this data file, and moreover, one important thing, if you have mentioned the name of the variables in the first column, so click on this import first row as variable names. So Stata will consider your first row as the name of the variable. Then click OK. Alright, so the file has been imported in Stata. You can also have a look on your data set. For this, you need to go to Data Editor and Data Editor Browse. Now you can see your entire data set will be in front of you. Alright, so now you can close this window. Now, if you want to convert a variable into a log format, so you need to generate a command. So command for converting a variable into a log variable is very simple. You just have to write generate. So GEN is basically for you are generating a new variable. So GEN space log of the variable for which you want that particular variable into a log format. So suppose I want FTI in log format. So I will write generate log of FTI is equal to log FTI. So you can have a look at the command. This is basically generate ln underscore FTI. So the new variable, you are basically naming the new variable which is in the log format. So generate ln underscore FTI is equal to. So this new variable will be converted by adding the command that is log of FTI within brackets. Now click enter. Now you can see here in the variable description, a new variable has been added, which is log of FTI. Now, if you want to have a look at the data set, you can again go to data editor, and data editor browse. Now, as you can see, a new column has been added in the data set, which is ln underscore FTI. So this was the variable which we generated by using the command. So this basically is the log of this variable, which is FDI. So this is one of the independent variable which has been converted into log format. Likewise, you can generate the same command for rest of the variables and you will be having a log format for all your variables. So for example, if you want to convert your next variable, that is suppose population. So the command for converting the variable population into log format is GEN ln underscore POP, then ln of POP. So this is basically you are naming the variable population, which is ln POP. Now click enter. So now you can again see a new variable has been added in the variable list, which is basically the log format of the independent variable, which was population. So ln POP here is the log format of the independent variable population only. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Please click on the subscribe button so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much.